Hi, friends. So, as promised, I'm back with yet another piece on the World Heritage Convention and anything which is related to the Indian heritage sites and cultural elements. So, the first piecemeal of information for today is that the World Heritage Convention, which was held in 1972, recognize that across the globe there are certain cultural and natural heritage pieces which are absolutely priceless and which are irreplaceable assets across the nations, across the globe. And this is not just true for the nation, they realize that it's true for the humanity as a whole. The properties and elements expressing the cultural and natural landscape of the nations across the globe were, under the convention, viewed as reservoirs of outstanding universal values. Therefore, the World Heritage Convention concluded that it is very essential for us to protect them, to conserve them, because this protection and conservation is going to be a significant part of what you and I speak in conferences, sustainable development. Now, the question arises that what constitutes the cultural and natural heritage under this particular convention? Now, the definition is given under two articles, Article 1 and 2 of the convention, wherein under Article 1, the convention classifies those which fall under the category of cultural heritage, while Article 2 speaks about what would fall under the category natural heritage. In addition to exclusively cultural heritage and exclusively natural heritage, there is something which is referred to as mixed heritage also, which is partially cultural and partially natural, and I will introduce you to that also because India has one category under, or one site, one property under the mixed category also. So number one, what constitutes the cultural heritage? In India and across the globe, any monument, any group of buildings, or any sites, I repeat myself, monuments, group of buildings, or sites, these would constitute cultural heritage. And I'm just giving you a hint that there are 32 cultural heritage pieces inscribed in the UNESCO's World Heritage List under the country that's us, that's India. And under Article 2, what constitutes as the natural heritage are those pieces, those properties which have natural features consisting of physical and biological formations or maybe group of such formations. Secondly, geological and physiographical formation, and precisely those delineated areas which constitute the habitat of threatened species of animals and plants. And the third are the natural sites, or precisely delineated natural areas from the point of view of science or conservation or natural beauty. And so India has 8 pieces falling, or 8 properties falling under natural heritage. So a total of 40 inscribed, with 32 as cultural heritage, 8 as natural heritage, and 1 as mixed heritage, which, as I just stated, would partially include the natural heritage and partially would include what constitutes the cultural heritage. And of course, in addition to the 40 heritage sites, which we are going to be discussing, I would want to know how many of you are aware or were aware of them. And in addition to this, we have 49 of these, properties which are still awaiting on the tentative list to be recognized. And beyond this, we have 14 intangible elements. That means certain festivities, certain activities which are so peculiar to Indian diversity, like yoga, Vedas. Well, I'm so excited that I'm already revealing it out to you, but you need to wait, and we need to keep this excitement alive. So till then, Jai Hind.